Oof, lag. Lag. Look at this. Lag in the game. Look. You see this? See this? Lag. You guys are seeing this. GB proof right here. See? Look. All lag. Oh, what's this? Ever. I just got kicked out. Oh. People left my party. Demise. Nothing's loading right now. They're fucking host booting. Look, nothing is loading right now. Host booters, wise birds, and Kid Franklin are host booting us. Can't load anything. Sign of host booting. Nothing's loading. Because he's leaving. And I can't connect to the servers now. And I got disconnected from Xbox Live. And why would that be? Everything's connected. I was just online. I've gotten host booted.